one thing, you are taking those points which where the angle is more than 90 degree, and from that you are joining the midpoint of a square side which are not passing through that point. Means these two sides are passing through this point, and these two sides are not passing through this point. Okay, so this point 2. So what will I do? I will join the point 2 with point D and point C, which are not uh, whose sides is not passing through that point. Similar way, I will join the point 1 to point A and B. By doing that, I will get two more points, 3 and 4. Okay, so uh, here what I will do, I will draw a sector of a circle from point A to point B by taking 1 as a center point, and A1 is the radius. Okay, A1 is the radius and point 1 is the center of a circle. I will draw a sector of circle from A to B. Similarly, I will take the point 2 as a center, and I can draw a sector of circle point from C to D or D to C. Okay, now this part I will take C3 as a center and A3 as a radius, and I can draw a sector of circle from A to D. Similarly, I can draw a sector of circle from B to C. Okay. Similarly, I can draw the front view of a circle. I can mark all the 4 points. Now, which corner points I will take? I will take these two corner points because here the angle is more than 90 degree, and I can join the point A and B, D and C. Then I will get another 2 points, and again the same process I am doing here. So I am not repeating here. There is another example, and I want to make the front view and top view of this diagram which is shown here. Okay, so I am first drawing the top view of this diagram. So what I will do, I will cover it with a rectangle, and first I will draw an rectangle. Okay, this is the sector of the circle whose radius is 25. Okay, if diameter, I will take the diameter will be 50, and again this is the same this sector of the circle has the same dimension, so diameter of the circle will be 50. So 50 plus 50 will be 100. Okay, so what I will do, I will divide the rectangle into two parts. Okay, and this, when I draw the top view of this diagram, this sector of a circle will come on this part. Similarly, if I draw the projection of this sector of the circle, this will come in this part. So here the angle is less than 90 degree, here the angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, so first I will for getting this part, I should know a center point of that sector of the circle. Okay, for doing that, what I will do, I will draw two lines like this. Then I will get this point which is the center of the this sector of the circle, and this is your radius. Similarly, from here uh, I will join 2 points from these points, and I can draw a sector of a circle like this. Okay, so this is the part of the circle. Okay, and how to draw a projection of circle I have already told you. So you can easily draw these parts. and now I am completing the other